Union Minister of Minority Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has introduced a bill to amend the law governing Waqf boards in Lok Sabha. The bill was introduced amid counters from oppositions who called the bill as a direct attack on the freedom of religion. Congress leader K.C. Venugopal stated that the bill was draconian and fundamental attack on the constitution. He alleged that the bill will create religious divisions and hate between communities. He also opposed the provision of appointing non-Muslim members to Waqf board. Samajwadi Party also opposed a bill terming it as injustice to Muslims. However, defending the legislation, Union Minister and leader of BJP-LI JDU, Rajiv Ranjan Singh stated that the bill has been brought to make the functioning of Waqf boards transparent. Speaking in Lok Sabha on Waqf Amendment Bill, Minority Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju stated that the bill is based on the report of Sachar Committee. Waqf refers to properties dedicated exclusively for religious or charitable purposes under Islamic law. Once a property is established as Waqf, it cannot be revoked. Some of the key features of the bill are it bill proposes several significant reforms, including establishing a central Waqf council alongside state Waqf boards, which will have representation from Muslim women and non-Muslims. Besides, one of the more contentious elements of the bill is proposal to designate district collector as the primary authority in determining whether a property is classified as Waqf or government lane.